Lincoln, I thought you left. Still here. Oh, no, I'm not doing what takes out though. I feel like you got your back. I feel like you got your back.
Move your head, combination. Oh, look at me.
I actually got some work on, so what are you working?
Head movement. Head movement. Move your head.
All right, come on over.
Tight guard and move your head.
Move your head moving in. Come on. Let's flip.
There you go, yes.
There you go, good.
Get it, girl.
1, 2, 1, 2. Nice work,
Come on, Hazel.
Body. There you go. Switch it up and load it. Load it.
Tick tock. Tick tock.
Good, good. So the other hook now, there you go, good. Nice. 5 seconds, yeah. Good.
Nice.
Strong.
That right there. That right there. Not a bad thing. I would be careful, actually, right there. Because
Nice defense. Good. Nice tight defense. Good. Good. Make it work for it.
Get a jab out there, Jack. Couple jabs. Make her work away.
Tick tock. Tick tock.
Flip that jab. Flip the jab, go to the body. All the way.
Alright.
There you go. What we just worked on today. There you go. There you go. Nice. All day.
Feel 1, 2, 1, 2, Rich.
1, 2, 3.
Good. Move your head, Jed. Yeah, good. Beautiful. There it is. Yeah. That's a tough time.
I can't knock you my stuff.
yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
You got this.
Right, yeah. Now look over here, look at him.